Hey there. If you're having trouble with your cigarette lighter in your Kia Sportage, it could be caused by a blown fuse. Today, I'm going to show you how to locate and check the fuse for your cigarette lighter. The first thing you would want to do is locate the fuse box. The fuse box is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Once you have found the fuse box, carefully remove the cover by pulling it towards you. Inside, you will see all the fuses for different systems of your car. Now we have to find the fuse for the cigarette lighter. On the back side of the fuse box cover, you will find a diagram that labels each fuse and its corresponding function. Look for the fuse labeled power outlet. This is the fuse that controls power to the cigarette lighter socket. Many Sportage owners confuse this fuse with the 12-watt power outlet that you see on the right side of the panel. The fuse for that socket is in the fuse box located in the engine compartment. Open the hood and lift up the fuse box cover. Then look for the fuse labeled Power Outlet 1. Now back to the cigarette lighter fuse. To remove the fuse, you will need a fuse puller. Kia has provided one in the engine compartment fuse box. Now carefully remove the fuse from its slot. If you don't have a fuse puller, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull out the fuse. Take a close look at the fuse to see if the metal strip inside is intact or if there are any signs of burning or damage. If the fuse is blown or damaged, it's time to replace the fuse. You will want to use a fuse with the same amperage rating as the one you have removed. The cigarette lighter in this Sportage uses 20 amp fuse. You can find spare fuses in the fuse box under the hood. They are indicated on the back of the plastic cover. Find and remove a 20 amp fuse. Insert the new fuse into the cigarette lighter slot. Once you have replaced the fuse, put the fuse box cover back on securely. Now it's time to test the cigarette lighter to see if it's working properly. Turn on the ignition or start the engine to power up the cigarette lighter socket. Now press the lighter in to test it. And there you have it. With a quick check and fuse replacement, you can get your cigarette lighter working again in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Wheels Joint for more helpful car tips and tutorials.